Hey everyone, I'm Madison. Welcome back to my channel, MaddCrafty. So today I'm going to teach you how to make bubble art. To do this, you're going to need watercolor or food dye, watercolor paper, unconventional bubble wands like spatulas or anything with holes in it that you can find in the kitchen, small bowls, and bubble solution, so you can buy some in the store or you can make your own at home like I did. I will list all the ingredients in the description below. Also, I highly suggest doing this project outdoors, so let's go to the backyard.
You really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up a paradise, yeah, without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place. 'Cause you really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
That's it! So now you have some beautiful paper to make cards or bookmarks or banners or whatever you can think of. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to see more crafts. If you make bubble paper, please tag me at MaddCrafty on Instagram so I can see it. See you next time!
Cross my heart and